All right, who's driving? Why is there no one in the driver's seat? Why is there no one in the driver's seat? Who's driving? Nah, I'm not playing that. All right, who's driving? Everyone roll the windows down now. Who is driving?
My sister was driving is back here in the back seat, sir.
Is she scared of law enforcement?
Yeah.
We're not from here, that's why.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Atlanta.
We're going to Atlanta.
Are you guys going to Atlanta?
Yes.
Where are you guys coming from?
Florida for the Rolling Loud thing.
Rolling Loud. Where was that?
That was in Miami.
It was in Miami?
Yes.
Is there any drugs, narcotics, weapons in the vehicle I should be concerned about?
No, sir.
All right, so I pulled you guys over for doing 72 and a 60.
Yes, sir.
All right, 72 and a 60. Who's driving?
Is there any...
Hey, get on that side real quick, because driver just hopped in the back seat. I got 31.
Which one?
Right here.
The female?
Yeah.
Can you get out of the car for me?
Okay.
Ma'am,
I'm getting my shoes.
it's fine. Don't worry about it right now. And then just go back to that.
All right, so what's going on?
Well, I literally just got, I had to pee so bad, and I was trying to go to a gas station.
Okay,
It's like,
okay. So I clocked you at 72 and a 60. What made you get in the back seat?
my life.
Your license is suspended?
It's like, I literally...
Really? And that's why you're scared? Come on. Is it suspended out of Georgia?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have it on you?
I don't have my ID.
She's telling me that she's scared because her license is suspended. Is it suspended or you only have an ID card?
No, I have my license. That's my ID card.
Okay, so you have two?
Yes, sir.
I like to give people the chance real quick to say if there's anything in there. I'm an honest dude. Is there any large amounts of marijuana? Meth?
No.
Fentanyl, cocaine, LSD?
No, there's no cocaine.
Alright, I get it. This is, like I said, this is my chance to people to be honest, be upfront.
That package right there on the
That's
car.
it?
That's it.
Is it nothing else? Okay. Alright, I appreciate it.
Yeah, but...
Shouldn't be long. We would just prefer you not to take medication right now. Don't
I'm making sure nothing in.
just you don't dump it out.
No, I was just making sure. I was just doing like this because at the back, look, it's safe. I don't want no problem.
Just a little bit of advice, bro. That was stupid. Don't do that again.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I know. I'm saying if you ever get her pull over again, don't do that. You go to jail for that.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
I know it's just a little bit of shake. I know. I get you.
I'm
not trying
sure.
to. Yeah, I know. I'm not trying to bust your chops, but I would not do. I don't suggest doing that again. All right.
What was your name again?
This is me.
Did you have the? Did you say you had a picture of your thing?
No, I can pull
You know?
them up.
I think we have it pulled up. Can you come check that out with us?
I thought you said you had one. You don't have it.
It's on.
Yeah.
Did you have that same hairstyle whenever you?
No, I didn't. No, I got these put in. You can tell I came down here probably like 7 months. Got these put in my hair.
Okay.
I had a fro. Hello, Mom. What? What's the problem?
The name you gave us doesn't match the picture that's associated with Georgia driver's license.
What picture?
Do you have a
you-
social?
Yeah. Hey,
that you
Mom.
could, it
Mom.
could just be a mix-up. That's why we're.
Mom, you got a
working
picture
it
of my Mom, you got a picture of my ID. Lord have mercy.
Why don't you have it on you? Make it a lot easier for all of us.
But I just had
Keep
my
looking. You're good.
yeah, I just had my ID because they just made me go get my ID before I went to the casino.
Have you aged a lot in the last couple of years? Or do you look mostly the same in your photo?
Look, sir.
Did you have short hair in your photo, long hair in your photo?
No, I had short hair. I thought I had a little fro.
Do you remember what color shirt you're wearing in the picture? I know that's weird, but you
Yeah,
look at your
right.
driver's license. You know.
I thought I had a white shirt.
This picture just doesn't look like you.
Come.
Is this you?
Why that picture pop up? That's my little brother.
That is your little brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you telling us you're your little brother?
No.
Are you giving us your little brother's name?
No. That's my little brother though.
Okay.
Are you a junior?
Huh?
Are you a junior? Is he a junior? Are you a junior?
No, he's not a junior. Me and him don't even have the same dad.
So you see that's kind of weird for us though.
Yeah.
Like we're not trying to give you a hard time. We're giving you the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
We're not being mean, but everything matches. But that picture didn't look like you.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we're just concerned that you gave us the wrong name.
Oh no, I ain't get out wrong now.
Okay. We gotta find another way. Do you have a social? Do you know your social? by
Yeah,
heart?
I'm finna, no, she digging through all her paperwork now. I just woke my mom up.
Okay.
She gonna send me a picture of my ID, my social, everything. My mom keep all my information.
What's your name again? Justice. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're going to get the fingerprint scanner real quick and figure it out. It's probably that way. While it's loading, maybe it loads before she gets you the social. That way we're not wasting a bunch of time. Okay.
She got the social. She getting out right now.
All right. While we do it, just because there are a handful of you guys out, we're just gonna secure you for just a second. You're not under arrest. You're not under arrest or anything like that.
You're
No, I'm not gonna fuss.
I know you're not.
fuss
I
with
know
nothing.
Well, there's just a handful of things going on right now, and it's a lot.
I'm gonna sit right there.
I got on my phone.
I'm gonna set it right there.
I got my mom on the
Dude,
phone.
I can't put you in handcuffs when you're holding the phone. I'm gonna set it right there and I'm gonna put it back up to you.
I can hold my phone, sir. Oh, no, I'm not stopping nobody.
Nah, you've been cooperative, dude. We're just, it's a lot easier for us to have our noses in our computers and figure this stuff out when we're not worried about looking at 2 or 3 people when we're on the side of the road.
It's our policy, bro.
So I ain't trying to take a good time.
Neither.
You right. I'm sorry. I don't want a car. That's just stupid.
You give me your real name now?
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Because we would have gotten it.
I'm just scared, bro.
All right, what you got? What is it? Slow down for me. J-E-R-R-Y. Is it Jerry or Price? What's your date of birth? We've been nice to you. Even putting you in handcuffs, we're nice to you.
I ain't gonna pay. I'm sorry, bro. I done been tripping the whole time. Skip. I can talk to you for a second.
Yeah, what's up?
I was just scared Gage roll.
No, I get you, man. I mean, I knew from the jump that wasn't you. I knew it wasn't.
I don't want no problem. I ain't had nothing.
Yeah, just give us a second. We're trying to figure everything out, right?
Yeah, I don't have no one.
All right, let me close this. So I've done nothing but be fair with you.
Yeah,
all right,
understand.
I've been cool. I've been trying to figure out all this out with you. I need you to be honest with me now.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have any narcotics or anything that's in the car?
No, I don't have.
Do you know of any? Do you know of any dope?
Dope?
Any drugs? Cocaine? I already asked you all this. Cocaine, meth, weed, anything?
No, it was just the little weed they gave out. They got everybody a package of weed.
Okay, so you don't have any hard dope, any cocaine, fentanyl, meth, anything like that?
No, it's no.
Do they have anything?
No, it's no hard drugs in the car. It's just
Okay, so why would there be a package of cocaine next to your seat?
a package of what?
Cocaine.
No, ain't no cocaine in there.
It's in my trunk right now.
Sir, check.
Turn around. Look, you probably look at it. It's right on top of that bag. Bag of cocaine.
I don't know. No, check this, sir.
I did. I popped it. I tested it. It's cocaine.
It's coke. No,
Yes.
it's check. I'm saying, dude, you got
tested
the
it.
little test
Yes.
thing?
Yep. I'll show you everything at the end.
Yeah, cause I ain't no cocaine in there.
It is. It hit really quick. It's pure.
I ain't had no.
So
I have no.
this is the chance to be honest with me because it was
Sir,
next to you.
Sir, I'm being honest, sir. You see, what I ain't got no reason to lie. Come on now, I'm here. I ain't had no cocaine though. And you sure that's cocaine?
110%.
Cause don't now one of them do cocaine.
110%. It's hard coke.
They probably had some Molly or something. So
That's hard cocaine.
You did the test.
110%. It popped within 2 seconds.
No, I never did cocaine in my life, sir.
Alright, so it's not yours.
No, sir, I never did cocaine in my life.
The reason why it would be right next to your seat.
It was right. It was on my seat.
It was next to you, yeah. Any pills or anything like that? That's yours in there?
There's no pills.
There is some pills that are. It was like oxy mixed with something else. Is that yours?
No, I don't have.
No, that's not yours either, because that was next to the cocaine. So there's the two things.
No, sir. It was no pills. It was no pills. Nothing on my seat. I'm saying we.
Are you a felon?
No.
Convicted felon?
No, sir. I'm on papers now.
What was your charge? But you were arrested. It doesn't just go away.
No, I haven't been convicted of a felony.
Ever? What'd you go to prison for?
What it was, theft by receiving. You know, I did my I took a plea.
Okay.
And it was like my first.
Is it your gun that was underneath your seat?
Hold on, man.
Dude, I'm not playing games with you, bro. Like, I mean, like, there's a black Glock underneath your seat. Is that yours?
Man, no, sir. No, hell no.
Whose is it?
I don't damn know. There's only one gun in the car, the girl gun.
There's two.
Man,
There's a black gun with a laser or a light.
No,
underneath, directly underneath your seat, right underneath.
You can't even put nothing up under that seat.
Yeah.
How they car made can't have to go up under that seat? It's made just like this.
So it's not yours.
Hell no. That's a rental car.
I'm gonna go ask them.
Yeah, ask them.
We're gonna have to put you in handcuffs right here, and then your bag that's on you. Can I take that off? I'm lifting it. There you go. We're gonna put you. All right. Okay. We'll explain everything to you in just a second.
Hands together like you're praying.
Yeah. I'm on my baby father.
Okay. Okay. We will start with.
Dang, y'all just in front of me like this.
I won't.
No,
Yeah, please.
Not walking like this.
Yeah, you guys can stay by the car,
Y'all
please.
walked up.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We didn't mean to do that. That was just accidental.
Y'all just made me nervous.
Right. So, whose gun is that? The one that was in your bag.
You said whose gun?
Yes. Is that your gun?
Well, Frank gave it to me, but it's clean. I mean, I got arrested with it for it. They gave it back. It's clean.
You got arrested for it?
No, I got arrested for a traffic stop before, and they returned it.
Okay, well, was it gun related?
No.
When was that?
It was for a suspended license,
No, when?
like 2-3 months ago.
In Georgia?
Yeah, and they gave it back. They put it in the trunk.
Did you buy that from a pawn shop? Did you get it from? You said you got it from a friend.
Yes.
Did you buy it off of him? Did he just give it to you? Or?
Well, he's not deceased.
He's what?
He's not deceased.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
What's wrong?
Alright. The gun is reported stolen, so it's not. Okay, so it's not clean. So your friend, who is now deceased, just gave it to you as like a. Here you go.
I work in a club, so it's like a safety thing.
Okay. So he didn't. It wasn't for any other reason. Like he wasn't like, hey, this gun's dirty.
No. You can look me up. Like I can show you my credit.
Yeah, we did.
My credit karma.
Yeah.
I work at a club.
Yeah.
Club AC. So
Yeah.
it's for a safety thing. It'd be a lot of creeps who follow me at night.
No, I understand. Okay. Why'd she jump from the front to the back? Is it, do you know? Like we were already way past the bullshit. Like.
No, we were just all scared. That's all.
Does that usually happen?
We got
like when you got pulled over a few months ago, did you jump back?
I mean, I got a child. We all got kids.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah, I was just trying to. I'm just trying.
That's just like that. We don't do stuff like that.
Okay, is there a reason why there'd be cocaine in the car?
No.
Just so happened to be in the seat that she jumped into. So.
don't
You don't know nothing about it at all? Any pills?
I don't even.
No, I'm just asking you if you know about anything. There's pills with oxycodone mixed with something else.
No, I don't know. The only thing I was aware of was my gun I had in my purse, and y'all asked me did I have anything, and I said yes in my purse, and that's all. I don't know nothing.
Okay.
But how the they ain't letting her go? They told me she got a stolen gun, but
Is there any way to let her go, please?
man, I'm finna go in here and make bun, boy. Y'all charge me driving with suspended license. So
Man, they just tried to charge me with trafficking.
they say you got. Oh yeah, they said the ID they pulled up. They pulled it up. Came as a white lady. You lie about the name?
Huh?
You lie about the name?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was, he can't. Oh yeah, he did say he was like he asked me no. He was like what's his name? So I'm like, shit, I don't know his real name. They was like, what's his name? I'm like, shit. He was like, they was like, the Nick, where he at? Him right here. He was like, how y'all ride with somebody y'all don't even know their name?
The front passenger was let go at the scene. Jerry was arrested and charged with giving a false name, possession of someone else's personal identification, a forged driver's license, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and drug charges including cocaine, oxycodone, and a new legend drug. Nakia was charged with driving on a suspended license, obstruction of justice, and possession of someone else's personal identification, along with marijuana possession after being warned about bringing contraband into a facility. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.